This was a real treat. Vivo, see what you missed. A full band playing while a train is moving, an antique subway train from the 30s moving through the city of New York, and with people in vintage clothing from the era dancing away. Where else but New York? Where else but New York? These people were wonderful. Spectacular. I had children for vocalists, doing backup and the whole nine. And they were all dancing and just carrying on while this train was moving. Mind you, a train with an old suspension rocking back and forth. This is something every New Yorker should do every time or every opportunity they get. Look at the people outside. All these people were in here. Ready? Look at that.